that worry always remains, that in the back of our mind, that what if cancer comes back. We do realize that with cancer life is very uncertain, but then whose life is not? And in fact, this realization is exactly what drives me to give my best to each and every day. So for staying positive or for the mental fitness, I feel it is very important that we define an anchor for ourselves. That why we want to feel positive, that why we want to be fit, right? And for me, when I got diagnosed, my goalpost got defined then itself. That and my goalpost was that I have to survive not only the cancer but also the treatment. And why survival was so important for me? Because I wanted to witness my child's milestones. I wanted to see my child grow, and I wanted to grow old with my husband, be there in each of our moments. I wanted to be there. So this survival, this zeal to survive was giving me the determination and the discipline to do whatever I was doing during this entire journey. I do not want to go to my deathbed with any regrets. In fact, I want to die with dignity and composure of having given my best shot to each and every day. And I think that is what drives me. So if anyone would be looking for how you can build your mental fitness, the first suggestion I would give is that look within and find why you want to survive, why you want to beat cancer. Probably write it down or put that loved one picture in front of you so that every morning when you wake up or every time before you sleep, you are able to see that one face or you are able to read what you have written. And because that is something which will stay in your subconscious mind and start orchestrating your life. So define your why, that is really very important. And the second suggestion that I can give is that avoid people who show sympathy, who pity you, because pity makes us weak and encouragement makes us stronger. Interact with those who say that you can do it and I believe in you, rather than those people who say that, oh, I'm so sorry to hear about your cancer. So please avoid.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos on cancer care.